Hi everyone. Thank you for joining us today, right, this afternoon. Okay. I hope your week has been okay. All right, we can start. Okay, let me just share my screen. All right, I hope you're able to see it. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now, same thing, we have class rules, right? Okay, one person speaks at a time and I unmute you. Okay, you type your answers, you print it out, and then you write it in your answer sheet, or you can just write it somewhere else when you're reading off the screen. Okay, these are quite self-explanatory, students. All right, so please use your innovativeness to figure out how you can actually write your answers. Okay, mute your microphones, all right, and your web cameras as well. Okay, please turn them off. Okay, let's not be in compromising positions. Okay, and let's all aim to respect each other. Okay, we're going to be covering synthesis and transformation today, as well as your comprehension open-ended, as I've mentioned. Okay, we're going to start with your synthesis first, all right? Okay, 5 questions. I'll go through the 5 questions briefly. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to complete it because it's quite fast. Actually, doesn't take you very long. And then we'll go through the answers, okay? Running away from your problems will not solve them. You will have to, or rather you have to tackle them when they happen. So like, unless, something. All right, okay, next question. Penelope, I love this name, right? Penelope loves to drink tea. Her sister Kathy does not love to drink tea. Although, okay, do not move or I will stab you, the robber ordered the old man. So the robber, what did he do? So this is direct to indirect speech. Students, okay, remember what you've learned in school for your synthesis, direct and indirect speech. Okay. There was not enough time left. Rajan did not manage to finish answering all the questions, right? So something as something. Okay, because this is basically reason, right? So as is basically reason, okay. And I need to complete my project report. I need to submit it by the deadline the next day. So what before something else, right? Before something happens, you need to do something. Okay, students. Now, I'm going to give you, now it's 4:17. Okay, I'm going to give you 8 minutes. At 4:25, I'll be going through the answers. Okay, so please take some time to complete these 5 questions, okay, and we'll come back and discuss. All right, see you soon. Okay, now let's come back and we'll start discussing the answers, all right. We'll go back to number 1. Okay, anybody wants to help me out, please type in your answer. Some of you already have, okay, and I'll be reading off your answers, okay. Now, let me just have a look at what some of you have sent me. Yeah. Okay, running away from your problems will not solve them when they happen, right? So running away from your problems will not solve them unless you take on them. Okay, what is this them? Okay, Crescendo, please take note. What is this them that you are talking about, right? Always need to make sure that you give hint of the subject first. Okay, so you're referring to something. This is very unique. Okay, running away from your problems will not solve them unless you tackle them when they happen. Okay, if there's an unless means that things are not being done. Oops, sorry. If there's an unless means things are not being done. Okay, so this one is a bit of a unique case, right? Okay, of which the answer actually is your problems. Okay, we start with your problems will not be, when you say solved, right? You're telling me that your problems will not be solved unless you tackle them. That's right. Okay, this is very tricky, yeah? When they happen, something for you to take note of. Okay, your problems will not be solved unless you tackle them when they happen. So whenever you have unless there, it means that you need to be able to do something to get the result of something else. Okay, please bear this in mind. All right, now, Penelope loves to drink tea. Her sister Kathy does not love to drink tea. So this one is a contrast. Running away, let me have a look. Sorry, just go back. You don't have to actually have running away, right? Because the main gist of the question over here, students, you must take note, okay, is that your problems will not be solved. Why will they not be solved? They will only be solved if or unless you tackle them when they happen, right? If not, they will happen and you will not be able to solve them. Okay, now Penelope loves to drink tea. Her sister Kathy does not love to drink tea. So although, excellent, many of you got this right. Penelope loves to drink tea, right? Okay, this is very simple. Her sister Kathy does not. Remember your spelling of Kathy, please, students. Some of you gave me a Kathy with a C, okay? Please take note of the spelling. If there's a spelling error, you get a deduction of marks.